In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old version of a doc. If you've ever made changes to a document and later realized you need to go back to an earlier draft, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that safely and confidently without losing your work. Start by opening the document you want to roll back. Make sure you're looking at it in the editor, not just a preview, and that you're signed in with an account that has the right to view the document's history. Most cloud-based editors automatically save as you type, which means every change is captured behind the scenes. That's what we're about to tap into. Next, go to the top menu and choose File, then Version History, and click See Version History. This opens a dedicated panel alongside your document that lists snapshots of your file over time. You'll notice timestamps for when changes were saved, and in many cases, who made them. This view is designed to help you quickly trace back through your edits and find the exact point you want to revisit. Take a moment to browse the versions shown on the right. When you click an entry, the main document area updates to show how the file looked at that moment. This preview lets you confirm you're picking the right one before making any changes to the current version. You may see groups of edits collapsed by date to keep the list tidy. Expanding them can help you pinpoint a specific moment if you worked heavily on the document in a short time. As you explore, keep an eye on the content that matters most, sections, paragraphs, or data that changed, so you can be certain you've identified the correct version. Once you've found the version you want to bring back, click Restore this version. You'll be asked to confirm, and after you do, that historical version becomes the current working version of your document. Importantly, restoring doesn't erase your history. It simply creates a new entry at the top that reflects this restored state, so if you change your mind, you can return to version history again and move forward or backward as needed. That's all there is to it. By using version history, you get a safety net that lets you experiment, collaborate, and refine your work without fear of permanently losing earlier drafts. Open the document, view its version history, select the snapshot you trust, and restore with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your documents organized and your workflow stress-free.